If you have a bunch of videos that you want to convert at once using a certain preset, then you can set the preset first and then go ahead and convert it. So for that, I'm going to go around over here and open up one file first, right here, just like this. So let's say I want this in WebM format, and then what I'm going to do now is go around over here onto video and set it to 60 frames per second right here, just like this. And then let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto filters and then add no filter for the interlacing. So this is the preset that I have right here. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and save this preset. So I'm just going to go around and then let's say, for example, I'm going to go for sample for batch right here. So let's just go ahead and add that in and add this preset. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and add let's say, for example, I'm going to open up another source. I'm going to select a folder this time right here and select this video folder where I have my videos. So this is what I have right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to queue and add all to queue right here. And in the queue, you can see that all of them are now in WebM format right here, just like this. So this is the location where I want to save the video. So let's just go ahead and start up the queue. And once you do that, using that particular settings for WebM, it'll go ahead and convert out all of the videos. And that is how you can create a custom preset for batch jobs and use it inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.